Alright, in the last video we had downloaded the file, the GPX file that had the elevation, that added the elevation to our KML file and turned it into a GPX file. So I have copied that file from my downloads folder and then pasted it into a folder, new folder that I named DEM Forwest VIR. So we're going to go into that folder. Wait a minute, something's wrong. Let's do a refresh. There we go. Let's open it up and we go for DEM Forwest VIR. Okay, nothing's wrong. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to go to the Arc toolbox. From the toolbox, we're going to go to the conversion tool. There we go, conversion tools. And from the conversion tool, we're going to go to from GPS. Okay, so let's go to GPS and then we're going to hit on the tool that says GPX2 features. Do a double click on it. Now we have to input the GPX file. There we go. The GPX file is inside DEM Forwest VIR. There we go. That's the GPS file. Click on open and the output feature class. We're going to select the location where it is going to be pasted, the new file. Let's put it in the same place and see if it works. DEM Forwest VIR. Here we go. Let's name it DEM FWVIR. Now let's save it. Now click on OK. There we go. Our file type has been converted into a feature class that we can now see, and we can also go to the attributes table. If you go to the attributes table, you'll see that the elevation has been added to the point locations. Now each of the IDs here representing each of the point features that we have taken. So as I have said previously, the more points you have, the more elevation values you're going to have and more accurate your raster file is going to turn out to be. Okay, so this was it for this video. Let's move on to the next video and see what we're going to do from here on out. Thank you very much for watching. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.